So students, this is quite a rational story, and it happens, often it happens. Often many young girls and boys, they flee from the town or village to city. Often it happens in search of job without information, without intimation. They escape, nobody knows where they have gone. Sometimes it happens, then often they do return also. So this is a common factor, and this is quite a rational story based on realism. The author, Valli Kannan, one of the renowned and popular authors in the field of Tamil literature, and it is a translation actually in English from Tamil language. So guys, I hope that you have understood the story. The story is quite simple but good story. The story of a girl and her desire and her curiosity and her impulse. That means a force, a passion, and ultimately she could fulfill her passion. Anyhow she could escape and fulfilled her desire, fulfilled her passion. She was very much desperate and passionate to visit the town. Now guys, on the basis of today's lecture, take some questions. Write down the questions. What was the past time within single inverted comma? Because it is not a literary words, that is why single inverted comma. What was the past time? We often say past time, time pass. What was the past time of Valli? Question 2. How much time the bus used to take? How much time the bus used to take to reach the town? How much time the bus used to take to reach the town? Already I have told you, and it is written in your book. Question 3. How Valli fulfilled her plan to ride the bus? How Valli fulfilled her plan to ride the bus? When Valli, she was standing at the doorstep or at the threshold, every day she used to think that when I will ride the bus, one day I will definitely ride the bus. So how Valli fulfilled her plan to ride the bus? Question 4. What was the mental state of Valli? VALLY. What was the mental state of Valli when she boarded the bus? BOARDED. What was the mental state of Valli when she boarded the bus? Question 5. What was the time when Valli reached her village? What was the time when Valli reached her village? Guys, this I will not tell you. You will read the chapter. It is mentioned at what time Valli reached the village. That is up to you. You have to find out. Next question, question 6. What is the distance of the time? What is the distance of the town? I repeat, what is the distance of the town from Valli's village? What is the distance of the town from Valli's village? It was only 6 kilometers away from Valli's village. I have told you 6 kilometers, the distance is. It is nothing nowadays, but during that time, even it was a remote place where Valli used to stay. That is why it was difficult for the passengers to reach the town. Now question 7. What impulse compelled Valli? What impulse compelled 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 Valli to ride the bus secretly? What impulse compelled Valli to ride the bus secretly? So these are the 7 questions, guys. You go through the story, you read the story at least for 2 times, each and every line minutely, and find out the difficult words. Note it down in your copy, search the meaning of the words, note down in the copy, and already the meanings, those are mentioned in the book, that also you will note down in the copy. Memorize all the word meanings. Okay, so overall this is, you can say that this is a story of a 8-year-old girl named Valli, a rational story based on rationalism, and story about a girl or curiosity or intense desire of a girl to visit the town, and ultimately she fulfilled her passion, she fulfilled her desire and curiosity, and now she is quite satisfied. But at the end of the story, the author says she was unnoticed by the family members, even by her mother too. How she was unnoticed? Because she calculated the time. During this time, her mother, she takes a nap, that means sleeps, and after that she gossips with the fellow village ladies or women, and she will be busy, and I will take the full opportunity of this span of time. So this is the story of Valli Kannan, Tamil story. It is translated to English. So guys, till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, God bless you, bye bye.